Hey guys, it's Dan Sfera here from theclinicaltrialsguru.com, www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Right now I'm headed to an assisted living facility. I'm there to meet with Don Walters, the other clinical trials guru. Um, we're going to present to an assisted living facility to some of the residents there. We're just going to give them some information about some of our studies without getting into specific details, but more, we're going to pretty much be giving them an introduction to clinical trials. And this is something we like to do every now and then in our niche industry of psychiatric clinical trials. Many of our potential patient population lives in assisted living facilities, whether they have schizophrenia or bipolar or Alzheimer's or anything like that. They live in these assisted living facilities, residential room and boards, boarding cares, sober livings. That's just the way it is. And so we'll be going there. This will be, I'll be filming Don giving the presentation. I'll probably post about 5 minutes of it on there. I'm not going to include any resident of the facility or anyone who doesn't want to be on camera. It's just going to be Don Walters. And what we're going to do is give them some information about clinical trials, basically give them an intro on what a study is. We're also going to see if any of them are interested or if any of them would even qualify for studies. But this is something we like to do every now and then. We like to get out of the office. We already have our own database of patients, but every now and then we like to get out in the field and add to our database, add to our existing database. And a lot of sites won't do this. A lot of sites that compete with us will just recycle their patients from their existing database into different trials. And I mean, there's nothing inherently wrong with that. It's just not a good practice. It shows that you're not giving enough effort and you're not willing to go out and kind of educate more people about clinical trials. But we don't like to recycle patients. We like to expand our database, and this is one of the ways we do it. And Don is an expert in that, and I'll be learning a great deal from him today. And I hope you will too. And if you're interested in clinical trial participation, you'll be interested in the video as well, because it's going to show a lot of you're going to see a lot of other people giving these type of presentations. They may not be in residential facilities or assisted living facilities, but they may be in support groups. They may be in doctors' offices, and at some point they may be online. But right now you'll be able to see a first-hand account of what we do on a monthly basis, at least, and try to expand our own database and just bring more information to the community that we serve. So with that being said, I'll post Don Walters' presentation shortly. Thank you. www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com.